What if I told you that the strength in your legs, the power to stand tall, to walk confidently, could begin to return? Not in the gym, not through painful workouts, but quietly while you sleep. Yes, while you sleep, with one simple spoonful before bed. No, this isn't magic, and it isn't hype. It's a science-backed routine designed for those of us who feel our strength slipping away a little more each day. This feeling, this gradual loss of confidence in our own legs, is something countless people experience, and most just accept it as part of getting older. But what if it isn't? What if the secret isn't just about pushing through more exercise, but about a simple ritual you can do at night? Let's uncover this simple secret and the science of how it works to help you reclaim the power in your legs. For so many of us, the change is subtle. A wobble when you stand up. Carrying groceries feels like a marathon. This isn't your imagination. It's a real process called sarcopenia, the medical term for age-related muscle loss. It's a silent thief that can steal your strength, making your legs feel weaker and less reliable. This is the true cost of losing leg strength. It's not just about muscle, it's about independence. It's the freedom to move through your life without that nagging fear of a fall, the worry of becoming a burden, or the sadness of giving up the things that bring you joy. When we feel our strength fading, the first advice is always exercise more. And let's be clear, activity is essential. But for millions, exercise alone feels like an uphill battle. You put in the effort, but you end up sore and don't seem to get any stronger. Why? Because you see, muscle isn't built during activity, it's built during recovery. Specifically, during the deep restorative stages of sleep. If your sleep is shallow or interrupted, your body never gets the time it needs to repair the muscle you worked during the day. It's like a construction crew showing up to a job site, but they have no materials to build with. No real work can get done. Studies have shown a direct link between poor sleep and the loss of muscle mass. You can do all the leg exercises you want, but if you're not getting the right kind of restorative sleep, you're essentially sabotaging your own efforts.
Now comes the part most people miss. Why does sleep become so elusive as we age? The problem is often a hidden saboteur, unstable blood sugar. Throughout the night, your brain needs a constant supply of fuel from stored energy in your liver. If those stores run low, your brain senses a fuel shortage and panics. It sends out stress hormones like cortisol, which is often why you wake up suddenly at 2 or 3 in the morning with your mind racing. And here's the crucial part. One of cortisol's jobs is to find emergency fuel. It can do this by breaking down your body's muscle tissue to convert it into glucose. In the very moments your body is supposed to be rebuilding your muscles, it could instead be actively breaking them down. You go to sleep hoping to recover, but you can wake up biochemically weaker. This is where the idea of just one spoon before bed becomes so powerful. The solution is giving your body the right fuel to get through the night. That one spoon could be a scoop of a slow-release protein like casein, or even a natural homemade mix. No chemicals, no pills, just a comforting drink that fuels your body quietly through the night. How does it work? It provides your liver with just enough fuel to keep your brain supplied with steady energy all night long. This prevents that middle-of-the-night panic signal, keeping stress hormones low and allowing your body to stay in a state of repair, not a state of breakdown. As it digests slowly, your muscles, especially those in the legs, receive a steady supply of amino acids. These are the building blocks your body needs to prevent muscle breakdown and encourage rebuilding. And why focus on the legs? Because they're everything. Your legs carry your weight, control your balance, and are your first defense against falls. Weak legs mean a loss of freedom, plain and simple. But strong legs, they give you the power to live on your own terms. This spoonful is not a magic pill. It is a tool to optimize your body's recovery. It creates the ideal internal environment for your muscles to repair themselves after the walking or light exercise you do during the day. You get more benefit from every single step you take. So how can you start? It's simple. Each night before bed, about 30 minutes before you plan to sleep, prepare a small glass of warm milk or your favorite high-protein alternative. Stir in your 1 spoon, either a scoop of slow-digesting protein or a calming natural blend. A great option is a teaspoon of raw honey with a pinch of cinnamon. Drink it slowly, then rest. Let your body take care of the rest.
A very important point. If you have diabetes or are monitoring your blood sugar, it is absolutely essential that you speak with your doctor before adding this to your routine. Now, imagine this. You build the habit. In just a few weeks, you notice something. Getting up from a chair feels easier. You walk a little taller. Those stairs don't seem so daunting. That's not a miracle. That's your body finally getting what it needs. Picture yourself waking up feeling rested. You swing your legs out of bed and stand up feeling solid and stable. You walk to the kitchen and your steps feel sure. This is what it means to reclaim your strength. It's the confidence to move through your world without fear. It's the return of independence. The journey to restoring your strength doesn't have to be a complicated battle. The core takeaway is this: poor sleep can sabotage your muscle health. A simple spoonful of the right nutrients before bed supports your body's critical overnight repair process. Your strength isn't gone, it's just waiting for the right conditions to be restored. You just need to give your body the support it's been quietly asking for. 1 spoon every night. That's it.